So this hotel is absolutely huge. As you can see, the reception area is bigger than my house. It's absolutely beautiful, very luxurious throughout the hotel. And this hotel offers 3 restaurants, 3 swimming pools and 1 indoor swimming pool. It offers you a shopping centre, a game centre, an aqua park and snack park, and an amphitheatre. So this is one of the first pools that I'll show you. You've got everything that you need here, all your sun loungers. Then over yet there you've got the Green Nature's Aqua Park. This is the third pool area, so if you come in now we'll have a look around. So this is one of the restaurants. So here is the game centre. This is extra, so if you do want to come here you do actually have to pay. And as you can see it's really busy. You've got the internet cafe there, so if you're wanting to go on Facebook, update your status about how brilliant green nature is. Spa and Wellness Centre. This spa centre offers you a Turkish bath, sauna, steam room, and also got a fitness centre which is included in the all-inclusive package. The massage rooms, vitamin bar. So here we have the pool area. Quite a spacious area as you can see. So this is the amphitheatre. So this is the shopping centre. So here we have a doctor's, we have a photo shop, we also have a tattoo shop, a hairdresser's and a clothes shop. So anything that you need you can just go and have a look at quickly. Anything you forgot, so it's perfect really. So this is a family room. Come with me now, we'll have a look inside. So here is the bathroom. So you have a basin, a toilet and a shower. So this is the first room. So here is 2 single beds. This room comes with air conditioning, TV, a mini fridge. And then here we have the second room. Here is a double bed. And this room also gives you air conditioning with a mini fridge. Have the second bathroom, which gives you a very spacious shower, a toilet and a basin. So this is a club family room. Come in now, we'll have a look. So if you come in here, you've got the bathroom, basin and shower. And then here is the first room. And then here we have the main bedroom. So you've got a double bed.